Hello, my name is Astha Bhaskar and I am an MBA student from IIM Trichy. I am currently doing my summer internship at Sureti Insurance Market Private Limited. In my 2 months of internship, I have learned a lot about sales, how to make a pitch, how to approach a client, how to make ourselves presentable in a convincible way. I have also learned about the financial statements of the company, how to make a flexible budget and forecast the future budget for the company using various financial modeling tools. In my 2 months of experience, I have gained a lot and got a helpful support from the company head, HR, and mentors, etc. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Barry and I worked at Surety as a sales intern. I also had a project in the area of digital marketing with a focus on search engine optimization. Now, my time at Surety has been an enriching and wonderful experience because it being a startup, the duties that I had were both diverse and challenging, but knowledge and learning were always abound. Now, handling my responsibilities here has given me a clearer understanding of my skill set and where I can take my career. And apart from this, we were also given the freedom to be innovative in reaching our project goals. And I would like to say that the sales aspect, especially, has taught me some valuable lessons. I've learned that things like being a good listener, being persuasive, dealing with rejection, or understanding the needs of our customers is important not only to succeed in my career but to tackle the challenges that life throws at me. So, I would like to take this opportunity to thank everyone here for giving me the privilege to be a part of this company's growth and future success. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ish Tyagi and I am currently pursuing my MBA from Indian Institute of Management Trichy. Currently I am interning at Surety IMF Private Limited in sales and marketing and analyzing pricing strategy for health insurance products as well. My experience as an intern at Surety has been phenomenal and I learned about selling insurances and different aspects of marketing and selling intangible products as well. One of the great learnings that I had is communication with the clients, networking, and analyzing insurance products before selling them to a particular client by classification of a product based on different factors of that particular client. I also learned the entrepreneurial skills. I learned about the strategy in insurance sector and build customer relations as well. Under the guidance of Surety mentors, I learned to come out of my comfort zone and also never give up on our targets no matter how hard the times are, how challenging the situation is. I would like to thank Surety's management for consistent motivation towards our target in lockdown during this lockdown, and because this lockdown has made our internship more challenging, and these challenges have made us more professional towards our job. The Surety has been very much phenomenal to work with. It has helped us in growing more professionally in dealing with the challenges and has also given us more exposure than anticipated earlier, because this is a startup and gives us more opportunity to learn and grow. And I would also like to thank the Surety for this opportunity and the learning, and I look forward to work with Surety in future. Thank you.
Hello everyone, so I am Manish from IIM Trichy and I have completed my internship at Surety Insurance Marketing Private Limited. Insurance penetration in India is already very low, below 4%. And before joining this firm, we all know that it was a sales profile, and convincing customers to invest in insurance at this time of pandemic would be a really challenging task. But the constant motivation and guidance we got from our mentors at Surety proved to be really helpful and helped us push our limits to achieve the improvable. Apart from this, we all were given a project in our preferred domain which would add value to the company in near future. Overall, we were taught to be self-managers and see a positive aspect in every situation of life. I would like to thank Surety for this wonderful experience. I would love to work for it in near future. Thank you.
Good day everyone, my name is Meghna Priyanka and I'm here to summarize my learnings from Surety IMF. So Surety IMF is a startup insurance company, and I'll say I'm very much privileged to work at a startup company because the work here is very challenging and also fascinating too. Being a fresher, I was very scared since this was practically my first line of work. But coming here, it almost made me feel like my second home, and I was very comfortable since ideas and creativity here matters. Shanti ma'am, Sandhya ma'am, Aravind sir, and Ashish sir provided the correct platform to me to implement my strategies, whatever I came forward with. And also, my learnings from MBA were put into the best use, I'd say. And the sales part of it, I thought I can never be able to do sales until now, but now I can proudly say that I'm a seller too. I came out of my comfort zone and established my own name in the path of sales.
Hello, people. My name is Nalin Haldwani. I am currently pursuing my MBA from IIM Trichy, and I am a sales and marketing intern at Surety IMF Private Limited. So, I would like to share my set of learnings which I had in this organization. One of the first being is of customer engagement, because I learned a great deal about how to initiate conversation with new people, how to get the conversation going, and finally how to convert any particular individual. And for the same thing, one needs to have a good grasp on their communication skills. So I also developed my existing communication skills and made sure that whatever content I'm delivering, it is delivered in the best possible way. And one of the most important things which I learned in this organization is how to deal with rejections, because it is rejections always happens in an individual's life, and it is very important that one forgets about the past and be focused on the present and keep working forward. And I would like to thank Surety for giving me an opportunity to be a part of the organization, and I did really enjoy my time being a intern at this organization.
Hello everyone, my name is Pribhat Gupta. I am pursuing MBA from IIM Trichy 2019-21 batch. At Surety IMF, it's been 1.5 months, and it's really been a learning packed experience. Here, I was assigned 2 projects, one in sales domain and another one in finance. Surety IMF, being a startup, has a massive scope to grow, and therefore the interns are given a lot of exciting projects to work upon. Here, I was able to apply my learnings from MBA and put to practice. And the sales part really pushed me hard out of my comfort zone, and here I was able to test my abilities. And here Surety IMF also given me opportunity to interact with a lot of insurance industry experts, and which really gave us a lot of insights about the insurance industry and the products. So finally, I would like to thank the management for giving me this opportunity and being always supportive throughout the internship. Thank you.
My name is Roshita Pandey, and I am a student of IIM Trichy, and I have been interning with Surety IMF for the past 1.5 months. My experience here in the organization has been really nice. Like, we got to know about insurance policies of big brands like LIC, Star, ICICI, and we got to know about the concept of premiums and how they work, and that I was not really clear about till now. And also the company gave us a hands-on experience in the field of sales. Like, we had to prepare a customer's database, and we had to reach out to them and pitch these products, and that helped us learn how to handle rejections and also develop our sales skills. So that really helped me develop a salesperson attitude, and I guess that will help me in the long run. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Shrija Shanggupta, and I am currently pursuing my MBA from IIM Trichy. As I want to major in marketing, so Surety IMF was a perfect platform for me to gain a hands-on industry experience, especially in an industry as difficult and as fast-moving like insurance. Insurance marketing as a concept is very new to our country, and Surety IMF is one of the first few companies to have ventured into this space. This not only gives the company a first mover advantage, but it also gives a lot of freedom to the interns and employees of the company to create new content, to set new benchmark and design new marketing techniques. I have gained a lot of new experiences and learnings while working in Sureti for the past 1 month. The leadership team of Sureti gave us the freedom to choose our own project, to create our own timeline and to design the budget of our department. This taught us on the hand side to take accountability of a project from its beginning to its implementation part. However, for me the greatest learning from Sureti so far has been while doing the sales part of my internship. Because while I had previous experience in marketing, sales was completely an untreaded path for me. So it taught me to come out of my comfort zone. It taught me to talk with new people and create opportunities for myself. It taught me to establish or to appreciate the code that a man's gotta do what a man's gotta do. So thank you Sureti for all these learnings and knowledge. Thank you for helping me grow both professionally and as a person. And this has been a roller coaster ride, and I hope to end this on a very high note.
Hello everyone, I'm Srishti. I'm of batch 1921 from IIM Trichy, and currently I'm serving 2 months internship in Sureti IMF. The most important thing which I've learned from this internship is the importance of on the ground basic sales, how that will build up your marketing skills. Like if you know what is happening on the ground, you will be able to market it in a much better sense. I would say this company has provided me with that experience, and for that I will forever be grateful. It has also given me in-depth knowledge of insurance industry which I would not have gotten otherwise. And all in all, I would say it was a good experience working with this company.
Hello everyone, I'm Ayushi, and I would like to take this opportunity for thanking the leadership team of Sureti IMF Private Limited for guiding me through my internship this summer. This internship gave me a wonderful experience of working in a challenging and demanding environment of a startup culture. Being one of the fastest growing insurance firm in India, it required new ideas, innovation, and improvisation of skills at every step. My project during my internship was digital media marketing. It gave me an opportunity to look into one of the fastest growing and innovating marketing channel in the current market. Despite of the work from home culture due to this certain COVID pandemic issue, Sureti still gave me an on-field sales experience of the insurance market. I experienced many ups and downs during my internship due to the work from home culture, but every time there was someone from Sureti guiding me through all those issues and helping me to complete my this internship. Therefore, thank you Sureti for everything, for every learnings and experience which I gained during this summer.
Hello everyone, my name is Amish Somani and I am currently pursuing my MBA at IIM Calcutta. For my summer intern, I always wish that I work in a startup, because while working in a startup, you are an important part of a small team. Also, the empowerment and the authority to take decisions that you get makes you work more efficiently. So I was overwhelmed when I got to know that I have to work for Sureti IMF. In Sureti IMF, I have gained vast knowledge about the customer base in the insurance sector. It has also increased my confidence in general. Also, apart from this, I have learned more about FDI and its valuation and the finance sector in general. So my overall experience in Sureti IMF is excellent.
My name is Rohit Negi. First of all, I will thank Sureti IMF for providing me wonderful opportunity, and I'm glad that I was part of the fastest growing insurance marketing firm. When I came across insurance marketing firm as a term, it was like a totally new concept from me and like a new learning chapter in my life. I took it like that and just starting doing my work. One of the things that I liked during my intern was that while doing business, we were serving the needy ones. Working in startup is a tough job. It's challenging and demanding, but it's the only place where you learn a lot, execute your own plan, test your skills, improvise and innovate. Trust me guys, I was looking for this, and that's what Sureti provided me. They provided me platform, freedom, opportunity, welcomed my ideas and supported me throughout my intern. Working during coronavirus pandemic was kinda impossible. If I can summarize my experience in one line, then it will be tough time never lasts, but tough people do. That's what we did in Surety as a family. It was due to Surety's work culture and their persistence we were able to achieve our goals.